Hi, today is 7th of December 2024. We just appeared for MICA, and unfortunately the exam started 1.5 hours late. So they have given in the admit card that you have to stay till 6 p.m. for unforeseen circumstances. But anyhow, this added more to the pain of the student. As usual, this MICA exam was really not in any particular direction. Too many questions of coding, decoding, and that too very high layering. There was not enough time to write the essay and this story and the argument, because if you are expecting people to write 300 words, 300 words, 300 words, and then a story of 300 words, it's very difficult to write 1200 words, or even if you write 200 words for each. So 700 words writing in 30 minutes is not something good. Psychometric test, as always, 150 questions. You slightly feel boring. यार कर क्या रहे हो, वही क्वेश्चन बार बार आ रहा है. But anyhow, that's what they want to test. Now coming to the main pain area of test, which I think that MICA need to rethink on what they really want to evaluate for the student. So guys, please do write it in the comment. What do you feel like? So I'll go by section. The quantitative aptitude, the questions were unnecessarily lengthy, unnecessarily layered. आप कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट भी पूछ रहे हैं, उसके बाद उसका 8 मंथ्स का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है, फिर उसके बाद उसका डिफरेंस है, फिर उसके बाद सम ऑफ डिजिट्स है. मतलब आप टेस्ट क्या करना चाहते हैं, राइट? यू वांट टू आस्क 2 raised to power 6, 3 raised to power 6, 5 raised to power 6, 7 raised to power 6, उस सब का सम करके उसके डिजिट्स का सम बना दो. अरे भाई 80 मिनट 80 क्वेश्चन हैं, सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू आर टेस्टिंग? So the biggest problem is that many students may not be able to finish the paper. Anyhow, the good news is that this is only 25% in the whole selection process. 35% weightage is given to CAT, ZAT and GMAT. So, and rest is for the PI part. So nothing much to worry if you are not able to score well. Just if you are positive in each of the examination, each of the section, if you are having a positive score, it will be enough. Second thing, if you have completed your 3 sections, howsoever their arguments was, that would be enough. Now we have some students with us. I will come back to you with my more observations and recommendations to MICA. So let us ask what was their feedback. Right, first feedback.
Easy, but when it comes to say English
easy लगा?
I found English difficult. Even I find it very
English was
difficult.
very
It was way more options.
CAT के comparatively कह रहे हो आप,
And
है ना?
fill-ups
CAT
were
के
like very longer, and there are too many options. So
too many options.
So you get
There were
confused.
7
They
options.
look similar. They sound
8
familiar.
options. At the same time, there were some questions which were too simple, right? Just you have to write one, one
If
word.
you know
can,
one, you could
you
figure
could
out the
fill
whole
whole
thing.
thing.
So the options were not well curated as
well curated, and some questions were too lengthy, and some questions were like just you have to just see it. Okay. Even in the RC part, I tried attempting RC. Anybody attempted RC?
Yeah, I did.
So
The
2 questions were
doable.
the others were very confusing.
Very good.
Again, there was 3 level of negation was there. Unlikely to disagree with
Yeah,
accept.
disagree
Right?
with accept.
चलो, anyhow, ये आजकल कॉमन ट्रेंड हो गया है कि 3-3, 4-4 निगेशंस डालने का. ओके, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड
It was
Very
difficult.
layered. It was difficult.
Very
The
lengthy,
questions were
difficult.
doable but very lengthy.
very lengthy. And in case of LR, मजा आया?
सर बहुत
कुछ भी था,
बहुत डिकोडिंग है.
boring.
मेरे को लग रहा है उनको कोई टॉपिक ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि
इतने
कोई
बड़े अच्छे सेट का एक क्वेश्चन था,
एक क्वेश्चन था.
इतना अच्छा सेट था, एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ, so I skipped all those long. मेरे को लग रहा था यार एक क्वेश्चन के लिए मैं पूरा सेट सॉल्व करूं और उसके बाद 5 ऑप्शन, राइट?
यस,
I solved the whole set and realized there was only
Just
one
one
question.
question.
One question.
This
right.
was the learning की पूरा देख लो
देख लो
I
पहले.
did that in the first. And then
मैंने तो छोड़ दिया था.
नेक्स्ट ईयर जो भी लोग माइका दे रहे हैं, राइट, या सेकंड स्लॉट दे रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट ईयर से पहले सेकंड स्लॉट दे रहे हैं, अगर ये पैटर्न यही फॉलो करता है, सो देयर आर फ्यू टेक अवेज फ्रॉम दिस लर्निंग. द फर्स्ट वन इज speed is the key, right? Especially while you are writing the descriptive part, जल्दी 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 लिख दो जो समझ में आ रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी ना लिखो, बिकॉज आई प्रेफर्ड टू राइट ओनली 100 words each, right? 110 words, that's it, because there was no point covering the whole passage and not able to make your point. At the same time, the story I was able to finish only 80% what I thought, so I have to cut it, the story mentioning all the points. So the speed would be key, guys, and practice it typing on the net, on your keyboard, not on your laptop or mobile. Practice typing on the keyboard. It will help you see how to go back and how to write it again, right? So I would recommend you, those who are appearing the second slot or next year, take up few topics, set a timer of maybe 20 minutes, not even 25 minutes. Try writing 3 points, 3 points and 3 points and then one story, right? So that will really help. Coming to each of the sections of DIL, this LR part, the DI was too calculative. One question require, what was the debt wala part kiya question?
पर मंथ डेथ पर
Average debt per month kiya wo?
मंथ एवरेज डेथ पर मंथ यस सर
किया?
किया
मैंने नहीं किया. I attempted somewhere 17 or 18 questions.
एस्टिमेटेड गेस मारा है
ठीक है,
लेकिन
बट वो
पूरा नहीं किया।
कैलकुलेशन करते करते ही थक गया, बिकॉज फॉर दैट यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कैलकुलेशन. सो गाइज, क्वांट में और एलआर के अंदर ट्राई टू सिलेक्ट द क्वेश्चन विच यू आर एबल टू डू विद लेस एफर्ट, एंड द क्वेश्चन विच रिक्वायर lot of calculation, I think you can really skip those questions. In English, again, you have to be very choosy. So the moral of the story is, be very choosy. Even if you are able to do 5 questions per DILR, Quant and VA, it would be enough, right? I would also request each one of you, those watching the video, please write to Micah explaining your pain of the test, right? कि भाई आपका रिकमेंडेशन क्या, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द टेस्ट, यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड कि ये टेस्ट में क्या चीज़ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. मैं ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर बच्चा पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर ही नहीं पढ़ पा रहा है, राइट, माइका को ये एनालाइज भी करना चाहिए कि what is the percentage of student who are scoring more than 30% of the total paper. So if nobody is scoring more than 30% of the total paper, so what does it mean? People are not able to see even all the question. So what is the fun giving that tough paper where you don't have time to even navigate the whole paper? So this is my recommendation. As far as cutoffs are concerned, if you manage to get positive in each section, you will be able to get a call from Micah, because 8-9 हज़ार लोग ही पेपर देते हैं इसका, उससे ज़्यादा पेपर नहीं देते हैं. Getting a call with a positive score will not be a issue. And for a second attempt, don't aim more than 5-6 questions per set, right? Even 2-3 questions getting right is you are in the picture, because this is just 25%, 75% is test. We'll bring you the detailed analysis in the evening. Stay tuned to Mission Cat channel, and tomorrow we have Snap. Don't forget to prepare for Snap, and must do questions for Snap before you enter the Snap. Bye bye.